Hello friends, welcome to my channel Masti Planet. Today we learn about the phonics sound A to Z. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for grapes. H is for house. I is for iguana. J is for jug. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for mango. N is for nest. O is for octopus. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for watermelon. X is for X-ray. Y is for yarn. Z is for zebra.